All right, check this out. Yeah, you know, when you're in your wallet, right, and you're looking for, maybe you want to trade this coin and you're looking for every single corner and where to trade, where it says trade, so you can click on it. All right, all you need to do is just to click on the coin right here, and then come bottom, like right under here, it says trade. And when you click on this trade, it's going to take you straight to a new window where you can do your trading. Like you can go ahead and buy crypto, or set stop limit and all of that. But you have to come, like, you have to come here on your wallet and click on the cryptocurrency, like the coin in which you want to trade, and just right under here, it's where it says trade. So when you click on it, it takes you straight to a new page where you can trade your coin. Yeah, if you find this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.